How to set an email alias on Outlook. If you want to set an email alias on Outlook, follow these steps. First, launch open any web browser and head over to outlook.com or open the Outlook app on your PC or laptop. Now click sign in and enter your email and password. Once you have been logged in, go to the top right corner and hover over your profile icon. Here click My Microsoft Account. Now under your info tab, find account info and click edit account info. Verify your identity using available method. After verification, go to manage how you sign into your Microsoft page. Look for account alias section and here click add email. Type in the alias you want, then click add alias. Now you can send and receive emails from Outlook using this new alias without needing to create a separate account. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.